Welcome to
下
watch.
面介绍如何让对值天虹读取主轴转速。打开，然后进入
In the
菜单
menu, find Auto Pro Setup.
先在加工设置里边找到
G-code setup.
G 代码设置，点击确定。首先它可以读取
Press the run key.
F 代码，编辑，然后选择
Choose to read F.
读取 F， 然后往下走 S， 往下走
Find S read.
点击，
Press the run key.
然后
Choose to read S.
读取 S，
Then press
读取
the OK button.
点确认，
Press the cancel button to return to the home page.
然后再找到
Enter the menu
菜单
again.
里边机器设置，
Find Spindle setup in Machine
在
setup.
机器设置里边找到主轴设置，然后找到
Select Spindle state. Press the OK button several times to enter the speed regulation
可
position.
以按
A total of 8
单位
speeds can be
一共才会
set.
8段，1、2、3、8。如果主轴最高转速18000，24000转，你可以设置1档、2档。比如说你想
Note:
让1档转
The speed set here is fixed. In the processing file you make, the speed of the spindle must be the same.
3档。
Press the run key to modify the number.
设置
For example, the number 3 here is set to 10,000/R.
和对应的这些转速就读这8种转速。设置完成之后点 OK， 返回，然后只需要在 G 代码中 G 代码 M F。
There must be S10000 in your processing file. If your additive file is S9000 or S11000, the spindle will not work after reading.
3000都有，对应的6000、24000，把这代码拷贝到 U 盘中。U 盘插入控制器，插入控制器之后，点击读取，
Now you can test your files.
然后 U 盘文件点确定，找到分析文件点确认，主轴启动，启动之后先读取 S6。
The spindle will change the rotation speed according to the S code provided in your
然后又
file.
读取 S3，
Note: the controller only reads the 8 speeds you set.
S8，
The speed can be set according to your needs.
主轴就会根据 S 的代码读取。
Thanks for watching.
OK。